shot.
All right, boys, let's see it. Jen got something for each of y'all. All right, let's see. Who wants to open it up? Show everyone what they got.
We got baseball lifestyle swim trunks.
Oh, dang, okay.
These glasses.
Oh, dang, we got
We got
drippy.
stickers.
All right, all right.
We got these goggles for
Dang, look at those goggles. Okay, okay. Look at that. Check that out. All right, everyone, we're about to head out. We're gonna go to Typhoon, Texas. So you can see all the boys got the matching drip. They're all dressed, ready to go. All right, all right. Time to load up the car. Let's head out, boys. Let's go. First, we gotta fuel up before we hit the water park, of course.
Windy City never looks so clean. I got 2 shots down the road.
Fuel up, boys.
Oh, she knows just where to go. She been acting foreign when I'm miles away. But in the city,
All right, looks like we've shown up here. Made it, Typhoon, Texas.
she knows I know just where to go. Yeah, she got
All right, making our way in.
up here often. I know
Got this rowdy bunch. Let's go.
for me to hit her up when I know she wanna dance. I got on.
All right, making our way to the cabana.
They didn't pick a fight. Cause she know how to get it when she wanna. She know how to get it when she wanna. I've been up late, she didn't think twice.
All right, we made it to the cabana. Everyone gets to unload. Put your stuff down, boys. Oh, let me check out those goggles.
I'm ready.
Woo, Noah's ready. Who else got them goggles on? Hey, let's go. Adrian, let's take a look. Dude, that looks sick. What did y'all do? Purple slide, hold on, let me take a look. Hold on. Okay, all right. All right, I found Bryce over here. He was trying to do that drop slide over there. Let me zoom in, let me zoom in. What they say? It's closed. What? All right, guys, you guys just did these slides. I know the other group was a little bit ahead of you guys. So go ahead. What are y'all gonna do next? The racing slide? All right, all right. All right, go have fun. Remember, stay in the group.
Let's go!
All right, looks like everyone's getting ready for some food. A little bit of fruit for now.
Wow! Feel like we're in the lazy river. Oh yeah! Hey, this is Noah. This is Noah. Hi, Noah.
Thank you, sir. All right, we got all the boys here. It's lunchtime, so of course, got to get pizza for all these guys. Boys having fun so far over here? That's what I want to hear. You good? You having fun?
Yeah.
After you guys eat, you guys will probably be energized and ready to go. Go, 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 go. Always taking some vitamin D. We're doing some Evil Knievel over here. We got the boys just hanging out here on the lazy river. There we go. We got Eddie here. We got Adrian. There's Bryce Lundy, Bryce Wolfslogger. That's right. There's two Bryces. We got yours truly, Noah there. Oh, there's Declan popping on out. All right, everyone, we're heading out. Apparently there's a storm coming, as y'all can see up there. Got some lightning. They're about to kick everyone out. Oh, it's starting to rain. Let's go. All right, we made it out of the storm. We rushed to the car. We made it pretty safe, pretty dry, and if you can tell, it's a little bit sunny out there. But it's all right. The park ended up closing down. Now we're all at Mighty Fine over here. Everyone's got their big old beefy burgers. Noah, yours truly, has to get that protein. He's got that big classic. I think most of the boys have the big old patties. As you can see, Declan over there got the big old patty, the spaghetti, the fries. All right, the other fries. I came to that. Okay, what do you got over here? You got a burger too?
Small patty.
Small patty. It's all right. We got to feed those baby muscles. There you go. Everyone's chowing down on them burgers. Let's go. These boys wanted to run instead of waiting in the car like everyone else. Yes, those boys.
Drift it.
Everyone else here wants to take the lazy way.
Drift. Take the lazy way.
Take the lazy way.
Run him over. I'm just kidding. Down. Go, Noah! Noah, you're holding up the line.
One more addition to the party. We got Eli here. Eli, say what's up to everyone in YouTube world. All right, he's joining in. All right, have fun, boys. Oh, Eddie's gonna jump for the first time. Oh, we gotta see this. He's always been scared to jump. Let's see if he's gonna do it. You can do it. Let's see how high it is from down here, guys. Let's take a look. Oh, snap, you did it. You guys saw it. You did it. You did it.
And they're going up. It's a waterfall. 3, 2, 1. Mr. Late is up there getting scared. And I'm not scared either. Yeah, you just jumped off. Everyone, this us two. This is a future jiu-jitsu match right here. It's a future one. Grabbing my flow. Team slip back. How are you feeling about here? And hold your buttons on. Angry. Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Back in our days, we used to call this a chicken fight.
Team Slickback! Team Slickback has won again!
Boys are crazy, having a freaking dance party over here. Let's go!
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
All right, the boys have, it's about, what is it, 8:30 right now. There's still sun out because we're in Texas. Boys are winding down. We let everyone play on their phones because y'all are probably exhausted from being out all day. They're gonna hang out here in Noah's game room. This is where everyone's gonna be sleeping tonight. Over here is Noah's armory wall, as you can see right here. And then let's take a look at what else Noah's got. Noah's his gaming wall right here. Got his PS5. And of course he has his
Wake me up when
this big old plaque up there. Ending the night with a bunch of s'mores, of course. It's supposed to be messy.
Who cares? It's s'mores.
That's right. It's not supposed to be clean, right? Check out Noah's back muscles, brought to you by D1 Training. You're looking for a place to get your strength training on, like Noah? Gotta hit up D1. All right, boys. How's it all tasting? Pretty good?
Yeah, it gets fun.
Alright, it's 10:26. Alright, we got all the kiddos here. Everyone's laying down. Y'all need to be chilling. You guys have a big day tomorrow. Oosies. Alright, looks like we have 2 boys awake so far. Noah and Adrian are awake, and the dogs are up. Alright, everyone, this is my super secret buttermilk pancake mix. I put in about 8 different ingredients. I'm not gonna share that with y'all. I like to think it's the best buttermilk pancakes you'll ever eat. And of course, they will make you chunky. So can't wait to see the kids try it. All right, breakfast is served. Grab a plate, back it up. Grab a plate first. There's the pancakes right here. Pineapple, watermelon, strawberries, bacon, sausage. But I'm guarantee you the pancakes are probably gonna be the best part. What? What is up with that? Eddie, you're missing breakfast, dude. All right, here comes our last one. There he is. Go get your plate. Go get your plate. All right, everyone, it's now 8:48. The boys are all fed. But check this out. It's never too early to get started in the pool. Here's some armbar cookies. What do you think?
Good.
All right, everyone, we got all the boys here. What else to do on a big sleepover but watch the all-new season of Squid Game. It just dropped. Hey, Squid Games. Oh. We don't want to ruin the show. You'll have to look it up yourself on Netflix. All right, everyone. Everyone's eating some pizza. I got Noah up there with the dog. Noah's mom right there, of course. Y'all having fun so far? Even the dog's trying to get up in that party. All right, everyone. Y'all ready for the movies? You ready? All right, we got the whole gang here, including mom and myself, dad. Tons of kids. We're about to watch Elio. It's not even the last part of our day, right? All right, y'all ready? Let's do this. Final meal. Final meal for these boys in the camp. All right, here comes the dogs. Clean up anything that falls. All right, everyone. It's the last day of Noah's Kisana sleepover camp with his mom and me. Have y'all had a blast so far? Yeah, that's right, that's right. Till the next one, right? Anything you guys want to say?